Okay, now on the left hand side you have a remote desktop services role. Now click on that. Just click on that. Now select the collections. Selection left hand side. You have Overview Servers collection on the left hand side top. Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, collections. Now on the right hand side top, you have tasks a drop down. Yeah. Create session collection. Next you can give any name, like APSM, I find SC. PSM, I find SC. Session collection. SC session collection. SC PSM collection. Yeah, anything next, again right arrow and click on next. Yeah, so here domain users is there, right? You can remove that domain users and add R. This is lab only, no issue. You can click on next and unselect that. Enable user profile disks and click on next. Confirm, yeah, great. What's the purpose of this collector collect? What does it do? So this session collection. It's related to whenever. If you launch any session, it will hold that entire session in this session collection. So actually the session collection holds that apps and desktops or whatever that users using that server right like. Put the WinSCP, all that could be loaded for that session here, right here. Now again, click on that PSM SC on the left hand side. Yeah, on the right hand in the middle you have tasks drop down. Click on that and edit. Edit properties. Go to security, I think. On here on select that NLA part at the bottom. You have one checkbox here on select apply. OK. OK, yeah, that's it. So we are done with our prerequisites for installing PSM.